Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how you can export large format print files without needing to calculate any units or numbers yourself. I have created a Excel calculator for you to help with your calculations. Before we begin, we just need to understand a few things. In advertising industry, there are smallest sizes of for streamers are 2.5 into 5 feet, 3 multiplied by 6 feet, and on the larger side sizes 20 feet by 10 feet, 45 by 15, and 60 multiplied by 20 feet. In comparison to human body size, these sizes are very huge, so we need to understand a few things. These sizes are huge because of this reason. The viewing angle is not very good, or viewing distance is not very good either. These boards or billboards are placed on a height of at least 20 feet and they are viewed from the distance of at least 30 feet. So keeping the resolution crystal sharp or high is not necessary. For this reason we can slightly lower the resolution and it should be fine. Let's get into the Photoshop. I have created a design. Let's assume this is a 20 feet by 10 feet billboard design. Now we can go to image and image size. You can see that the sizes are in inches, and 20 inches and 10 inches. This is width and this is height, and resolution is 300. Now to change this size into feet, we need to do a slight calculation. You can use this Excel calculator. I will provide this link in the description box below for you to download. We can use this box to calculate. If you want to achieve a dimension in physical feet, you can enter 20. This is for 20 feet in physical scale. You need to assume some calculations. You need to assume 20 inches, as this Photoshop file says this is already in 20 inches assumed scale, so you need to convert it into physical inches, which is 240, just in to achieve 20 feet in physical value. Just enter 240 inches. Before we enter the height value, you can lower the resolution from 300 to 80 to not crash your hardware. For 10 feet in physical value, you need to enter 120 inches. Just hit enter or OK. This will take some time to process. The file has been converted into large scale. This is 80 pixels per inch, 120 height, and 240 inches. 240 inches is equal to 20 feet and 120 inches is equal to 10 feet. Now you can see that this has been converted into large scale export files. Now imagine a scenario that you are working in a unit that is not inches or feet, which is on same scale. You are working in millimeters or centimeters and want to convert your designs into feet. As millimeters and centimeters are not as same scale as feet, you need to convert some units. For this reason, if you want to achieve 20 feet in physical value, you need to create a document that is 42.33 in millimeters. Now let's create a document. First we have to close this one. Now go to file, new, set your unit to millimeters, and you can capture the value from here, 42.33. And if you want to achieve 10 feet in height, then you will be entering 21.16 in millimeters. 21.16 in millimeters, and resolution should be 300. Click OK. Now assume this is your design in millimeters. Now assume we have created a design for billboard in millimeters. This is your design. Now what you can do is to convert this into feet. Go to image size. Then Photoshop has already converted our units inch from millimeters to inches. Just keep it that way. Now if you want to convert these inches to actual physical feet, you are going to need this 120 inches value. Now just enter 120 inches, sorry, 120, my mistake, resolution to 80. Now we have to change the width is going to be 20, so we will be needing 240 inches. Click OK. Please keep in mind, for this to work you need to import the asset that is a smart object or a vector, otherwise this will not work. Go to image size, and this size has been converted from millimeters to inches and even in feet. 240 and 120 has 80 resolution. This has the same effect as creating a design in feet. You can do the same with for centimeters calculations and millimeters calculations and inches. I have showed you already. You can download this Excel file. I will provide the link in the description box below. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like this video and share it with friends. Thank you so much.